Hello, this is a demo video on AIM, that is Agent Identity Management. So recently we are using the AI agents everywhere now to automate the task or to monitor the systems and also to process the data. But sometimes these agents goes wrong and ends up deleting the critical data and also exposes the secrets. So here the AI agents are powerful, but without control they are dangerous. Now the AIM gives you that control. To give the overview on AIM, so here the AIM gives every AI agent a cryptographic identity. So here I have total 5 agents, and each of the agent has its own individual cryptographic identity and which continuously scores their behavior, and it will make sure that it blocks anything outside their declared permission. And if I walk you through the dashboard, so here the first thing we can notice is that the critical security alert, so which means that something already happened and AIM has caught it. So the main advantage is that I didn't have to go looking for it, and which saves my time eventually. And if we look at the stat boxes, which shows we have total 5 agents, which means that 5 agents are running in the system and 5 of them were verified, and also the average trust score is 82 percentage. And if you look at the active alert, there are 4 in total, which means it gets updated in the security status. So here the AIM keeps this visible until someone comes and reviews it, so this is an advantage. And also in the activity timeline, it shows an overview of the total activities are 10 in total, and also the success rate are 6 and the blocked ones are 4. So these are the recent activities which were blocked and also succeeded. And if I show you in detail, so coming to the agent tab, so here in the agent tab, so this is like every AI agent in the system must be registered over here, and this is like a employee directory. And if I walk you through each one, so we have total 5 agents, and firstly the customer service agent, and secondly the payment agent, followed by the data export agent, billing agent, and the finance agent. If we head towards the finance agent, so here we can see that it is active and verified. Also it has a trust score of 83.5 percentage, and which is built on LangChain. And if we look at the violations over here, it has tried to perform a delete operation and which has been immediately blocked. And if I show the all other alerts, so now we can see there are 4 in total. So this is a critical one, which is a payment agent which try to read from the secret vault. That's where our API keys and the passwords are stored. So this is serious escalation attempt, so the AIM has blocked it instantly. And it has also raised an alert, also followed by the yellow alert, which is about the customer service agent which has tried to write to the user database, which is not in its permission, so it was blocked instantly. And then followed by the finance agent, as I have mentioned earlier, which has tried to delete the users table, so which has been blocked instantly. And followed by the suspicious activity, over here it has tried to make 3 rapid API calls in a short time, so it has flagged under the category of suspicious. So in reality, you could have figured it out, but weeks later, after the damage was done. So now the AIM blocks it immediately and sends the alert in real time, which is a major advantage. And also the MCP discovery. So this is a tab for the shadow of the AI detection. So if someone in the company runs an AI tool or a server without any approval, so the AIM scans it and finds it out. And also the supply chain, which means that which shows you every tool and service your agent are connected to. So to summarize, the AIM, which gives every AI agent a cryptographic identity and also continuously scores that behavior, and also it gives the full audit trail, that is more important. And here the open source has been deployed in minutes and compliance is been ready. And that's about the AIM. Thank you for watching.